Good morning, dears. Hope that all of you are fine. Today we are moving on to our seventh chapter, and again it's a poem, Robin. And by looking at this picture, can you guess anything about this poem? Yes, here we can see a bird sitting in the trunk of a tree and singing, isn't it? And his name is Robin. So, poem is about the happiness with which a robin sings. And dear children, have you ever seen a bird singing? Anyway, from today onwards, you should try to watch them, listen them, okay? With me, okay? Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks, thanks for summer, he sang with all his might. Read once again. Robin sang sweetly when the days were bright. Thanks, thanks for summer, he sang with all his might. When the days were bright. And what do you mean by bright days? It means sunny days. So in those sunny days in winter season, how do we all feel? We can feel a bright sky shining with light, isn't it? We will be feeling so happy and energetic. And here our robin sings so sweetly to show his happiness in those bright days. And what he was singing? He used to thank for giving those summer days with all his might. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone, let all give praise. Read it once again. Robin sang sweetly in the autumn days. There are fruits for everyone, let all give praise. And what's the specialty of an autumn season? During autumn season, we can see shedding of leaves from the trees, is it? And here, Robin was praising for giving fruits for everyone during those days, autumn days. So he sang sweetly. He showed his happiness by singing sweetly that there are fruits for everyone. Let all give praise. So now moving on to our next stanza. In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. Read again. In the cold and wintry weather, still hear his song. Somebody must sing, said Robin, or winter will seem long. So our poet is saying that in winter season, even if the weather is too cold, even it is a windy day, still we can hear whom? Still we can hear the sweet voice of a robin. What he is saying? Somebody must sing or winter will seem long. And he is saying that someone should definitely sing to make us feel that these days are not too long. That these winter days will end soon. Okay. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter. It will always go. When the spring came back again, he sang, I told you so. Keep on singing through the winter. It will always go. So next comes the spring season. Again our robin is singing so sweetly. He is saying that I have already told you that we should keep on singing so that these days will move on fast. Keep on singing through the winter. It will always go. So by reading this poem, we understood about the happiness of Robin, who used to sing sweetly in all the situations, isn't it? And my dear children, can you say what the poet might be trying to convey us? What will be the moral of the story? Our poet is asking us to be happy for the many blessings in our life, is it? So my dear students, all of you should read each of these stanzas and you should send me through WhatsApp. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.